Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating safe access to the knob so you don't damage the finish or electronics. First, back off the string tension a little if the knob sits close to the strings. This gives you space to work. Once done, lay down a soft cloth and secure the guitar on a stable surface. Make sure you have a small screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and needle nose pliers ready. These tools keep you from prying with metal that can scratch or slip. Now you remove the knob itself, paying attention to how it's attached so you can reverse the process later. If there's a tiny set screw, loosen it with the correct hex or flat driver while you steady the pot shaft, since twisting can stress solder joints. If the knob is a press fit, grip the base close to the guitar with a cloth and pull straight up with even pressure. Don't rock it. Note the knob's orientation and any markings so replacement aligns exactly. Finish by inspecting the exposed potentiometer and cleaning around the shaft with an electronic-safe contact cleaner if you see grime. This improves contact and reduces noise. When reinstalling, slide the knob straight on, align markings, and tighten the set screw just snug. Over-tightening can strip the shaft. If you hear scratchy noise when turning, rotate the pot through its full travel several times to redistribute lubricant. If problems persist, recheck solder joints and consult a tech. Most issues are simple to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.